No, it's the bear shooting. It's not going to be my fault. It's not going to be any of our fault. It's going to be, oh, look at the water.
Uh-oh, the creek. That's the creek, yo.
The river was right there. I can hear it.
Splash, splash. The splashes.
A lot of people on the trail.
Never get.
Glad to see some people.
Right.
Like the third time we
Mm-hmm. It's like,
Yeah, you need a stick key on there. Everybody got their stick.
yeah, I know. Me too. Where they get theirs at? At the beginning?
They probably already had that. No, that's what I'm looking for too. A nice. Right. You got to break one off.
Ouch. Now I see how people get smacked up in their face with branches when they be running. Oh.
Hey, I know you didn't see that branch right there, child. Okay, you coming across
Uh-oh.
the rail.
Be careful.
Madison, slow down, slow down, slow down. Come across the bridge. Here we go, yeah. They just
This is 2876 West Baltimore Street right here. I'm not impressed with this.
Results in violation cost you $200. Is that the waterfall?
No, this ain't no. This is just Yeah, bet not be no dang waterfall. Go ahead, y'all. Keep on moving. Don't fall. We going, yeah, to the left.
No wrong turns now. You can go that way if you want. You can right on water.
Yep.
You know we walking the right way. Right. That's the shot. Gang.
Gang.
Yeah, every day. Still trying to find that stick.
That one stay. That one too rotten. It is too big. It's a bear. Hey, Rainy. Who? Where he at? Oh. Back there being a grumpy old man.
She thinks she about to get a collective of pictures.
Who?
Lisa think I'm about to keep taking pictures all day.
She better look at it on YouTube. So.
Upload it right up on YouTube. Just walking through the trail park.